Hello guys, welcome to another episode. So here, these are the two transmission range sensor which I have. This is the one that comes with the car and is putting up a code of P0705. And I got this one from Pastor yesterday from used pastors, and there is a very funny situation with this one. This one here is acting up even much more worse than this one, which is not what I was expecting. So now because of that, I did notice that there are altogether 9 pins, and 2 pins from this side have cut off, and that is why it's not driving due to corrosion. This one, all the pins are intact, but still, I don't know the reason why this doesn't work. I don't know, maybe oil got inside it or something, you know. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to tear it apart and look at it and see I'm going to be able to reconnect that 2 pins that got lost. And when I can be able to do that, then I've solved this problem. So let me go ahead and chop this remaining. I've chopped this one off, so I'm going to be using this to chop these 3 off and try to open it and see what is inside and see how I'm going to reconnect it. Okay, so this thing should be getting ready to open right now. But if it doesn't open, it means I'm going to start from the back again and chop this one off too. So normally we should be able to open right now. Okay, I can see it, so I'm going to be finding something to apply it from here. It's acting like it's about to open, so let me open it up. Let's see what is inside. Let's see how I can be able to manipulate it. And I'm going to be using this card here to see if I can be able to apply it open. Okay, it's opening. I see it right now. Okay, I think I actually cut through the right part because this side is not moving at all. It's the rubber side that is actually opening from. So I'm going to walk it through. Walk it through that. Walk it through like this. Okay, maybe I need to get a flashlight so you see the 2 pins that are lost. Can you see the 2 pins? Let me show you again. You can see it, right? There's 2 pins that's lost here. So that's the main reason for cutting this whole thing. So now when I venture, yeah, it's opening. It's opening. It's opening. I still apply them on. It's opening. So this is my first time trying to open this. I think I found somewhere else also that is meant to be serviced, but this one here, they riveted it so that you don't service it. But today we're going to see what is inside it and see if it is manipulatable, or if it is a sensor that's inside, or just some sort of bunch of switches. If it is a bunch of switches, then it should be manipulatable. So here we go. That's it. So technically speaking, there is no sensor here. This is just a bunch of switches. So it's manipulatable. So we're gonna find how we're gonna be able to get that one that is missing and reconnect it back. So that's what it is on the inside. And forget all these things here. This one is already trying to jump apart. Make sure you put it back in place. So technically speaking, this is not supposed to die, but I wonder why this one is now malfunctioning. Maybe there is something wrong inside. So, and when I scanned it when it was on the car, it was actually writing pending. I mean, the code was pending. So I know definitely that there must be some other things which I'm not looking at. So I need to find how to manipulate this to get this to work. And this is in a situation where you don't have any helping hands. Now, I think I can see the reason why this might not work, because there is a seal here. And that's supposed to be preventing it from moisture trap or entrance. And this one here, maybe the seal is broken or something. That is why some moisture get into it and got it ruined. So that's one way this thing can be damaged. So anyway, even if I didn't show you guys the rest of it, at least you have known what is inside it. It's just a bunch of switches, right? Why this one make the contact and have some grease right there. So this shouldn't fail as originally thought it's going to be. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll catch you guys later. I'll keep you posted however it is, but right now I'm gonna be on my venture to find out exactly how the wire come up here, and by so doing I'm gonna be needing to cover this up while I try to grind this little by little until I get to the destination where I can see them. Okay, I can see them. Can you see it's very shiny there? That's it right there. So, but I need to see the right one that I need to see, which is somewhere here. Okay, you can see one now. You can see it exposed. Let me show you. You can see it right there, shining. So I'm going to expose the second one, and I'm going to find a way to tap the power from there. The second one should be somewhere around here. Okay, I can see it right now, but that's going to be hard. Let me show you guys. You can see it right here. That's it right there. Not this one. This one is a different one. That one right there. So I'm gonna find something and drill a hole through it, so I can be able to pass a wire through it, or draw it out here, then attach a wire, solder it up to it. Then I should be ready to go. I'm gonna do it for the both of them. I'm not gonna be continuing this series right now to save your time. But if you have this problem and you're under critical situation where you can be able to get the parts, at least you've known that this is manipulatable. Alright. There is a detail which I want to show you guys that is missing on this thing right here, and that is detail that is these two wires that are missing right here, that the signal is missing from. I want to take the socket and get it inside, so you take a look at the wiring color code, the insulator color code that is actually missing in place here. I think that's where the signal for the drive is coming from, because here the reverse is working, neutral is working, park is working, but all the drives aren't working. So this is the right socket for it. So if you check it, we have a solid red wire. I don't know what solid red wire means in the color coding chart of Toyota, and we have blue with a white tracer. So that's the two wires that the pins are missing. So that's what I'm going to be bypassing from here. This last one here is the blue, white is one out here is the red. So I'm going to be reconnecting it back to it. Alright, I'm going to connect it. When I connect the socket back, then I find a way to link it right there and test it out. As soon as it works, then I get this back working. So pretty much I think that's the last information which I need to give you guys right there. So what I want to do right now is I'm going to solder this up and extend the two wires up here, and that's what you should do. Solder one from this tip and another one from this tip. Right? Okay guys, so I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Finally, bye. Okay guys, you can see it. I finally burn it out and get out the two wires. So I'm going to be soldering it out, and that's gonna got me to revive this transmission range sensor, and it should be back working. So it's totally manipulatable, like I told you guys. So the two pins that lost out there, I ended up manipulating it to come out here. This is the first one here, the second one is here. So I'm gonna solder it out and get a insulation system to actually insulate it so it doesn't touch each other. And I'm gonna connect it to the right wiring harness where it's supposed to. Then I'm gonna get this car back running, because at this very point right now the car is grounded. So catch you guys later. Bye bye bye.